Hello everyone, my name's Justin and I want to talk to you about making connections. No, I want to talk to you about making quality connections in your career path. Now, I've thought of 3 ways, and these 3 ways have helped me out as well. And basically, the 3 things are, the first one is, you need to be honest with the person. When you're telling your story, who you are, what you do, you want to tell them exactly what you do. You don't want to just make kind of some sort of lie or something. You want to tell them exactly who you are. And the second one is you want to tell them what your passion is and what your goals are. And when you do that, that can help them know what you want. And for the third one, that's the most important one, and that's the snowball effect. And if they're not totally able to help you out, they're able to help you out in a different way. They might be able to give you information for another company or another employer, and that will just be able to exponentially help you grow. So let me tell you a good story. So I dropped off a friend at the airport, and there's this place called Wright Engineered Plastics. And it was like Friday afternoon at 5:30 on St. Patrick's Day, and there's only one car in the parking lot. So I drove up, I opened the door, and I just walked in. It's just like a bunch of offices, and there's only one person there. And she's like, "Hello, can I help you?" And I was like, "Yeah, I'm a student at the JC down here. I'm an engineering student." She's like, "Oh, cool." And I was like, "Yeah, is there a way I can see, all your machines and what you guys do?" And she's like, "Yeah." So we got the safety glasses. She walked me through the whole place. I was able to talk to her on a technical level about injection molding and all of the medical equipment that they're building and stuff like that. So that is something that I did. I did those first 2 steps. I walked in and I told her who I am and being honest with her. And then the second part was I was able to talk to her on a professional level. That showed my passion. That kind of showed my goals, what I want to be. I want to be a good engineer. And then the third one was the snowball effect. At the end, she's the one who offered me an engineering internship in the summer. I didn't even tell her. I set up the whole thing. I was able to talk to her on a professional level and meet her and introduce myself, and that was enough. Instead of going online and just submitting some application, she was very impressed with that. She offered me an internship there. And so I also talked to her about other engineering fields. And I talked to her about aeronautical engineering, and she said, "Oh, the people across the street over here do a lot of aerospace, telecommunication." And I was like, perfect. There's another snowball effect right there. She was like, "Yeah, we have a good connection over there." So that's 2 things that I've been able to connect with on a deeper basis than just transferring business cards. You just can't do that. And a good way to do that is either on the phone. Sometimes that's a little iffy, but what is really important is when you're face to face. A lot of people do want to help you out. And if I was in her seat, I would want to help someone out, but they're busy as well, so you got to respect that. It's not always going to work out for you, but if you follow those 3 steps, you tell them who you are, you're honest, you tell them your goals, and then you also use the snowball effect, you'll be able to make very good connections with people. And on that note, I want you to subscribe and and if you got any comments for any other good videos, please write them below, and I'll talk to you guys later. Thank you.